Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of feedback on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve this feedback on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Discord. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.